Here's how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. Now open up the Google Chrome web browser on your iPhone, your Android, or a computer. It works the exact same. To be able to block any of those pop-up ads, we need to get to your settings within Google Chrome. So what we're going to do at the very top right is tap those three dots. Again, keep in mind, it might be at the very bottom if you're on a different device. Now from here, let's scroll down and tap on settings, and this will bring us to the settings for Google Chrome on your device. Now keep in mind, we can always choose to block those pop-up ads from various websites that automatically have pop-ups. Keep in mind, sometimes this does break banking websites if you're downloading a statement or something like that, so just keep that in mind. Now from here, let's scroll to the bottom and tap on Site Settings. And now we can just scroll down to pop-ups and redirects. You'll be able to see sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. All you need to do is switch this to Don't Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups and Redirects. And essentially you've blocked them on any device in Google Chrome.